So now I have my stitch on my hook and everything is ready. And I have my connecting yarn right here, my tail just right here, holding my tail away from everything. Okay, now grabbing everything. So I'm holding my needle as usually do, which is a knife one. You can hold it like this if you like, but for me I'm gonna hold it like this. You just test it and see what's like more convenient and more easy for you. So for me, I'm gonna take my yarn, just grab it around my fingers. Again, do it nicely. Just go here, just like that. Again, like this. So I have a nice length. It's not too wide, it's not too small. So I have a space here so I can have my hook around and grab the yarn. So the first chain or the chain thing, which is the basic of every work, will be pretty simple actually, but let's do it. So I always have my hook just like this. Do you see that hook here? I always having it facing me. You don't have it face on the other side. Always this hook is facing you, okay? Just as looking at you. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab, just take my hook around my yarn just like that. So I have my hook right here. So when I just go down, the yarn go around the hook, inside the hook. So I have it in my hook. It will not go anywhere. If I have it on the other side and just go like this, there's no grabbing, okay? So that's very important to have the hook facing you. Just again, and as you can see, I'm holding the beginning of the stitch and the tail with my finger here and my thumb. So as we work and have a nice work, you always have this position. This position, you have your finger away, so you have a space here for you to like yarn over. And in the same time, you are holding the work, so you have a basic thing, like everything is fixed in your hand, so it's not going anywhere, right? And when you have a very nice loose, like for example, I have a very loose thing here, and you don't wanna just take the yarn and grab it around your fingers again. What you do is just go here and just grab it like this and just very nice and adjust it perfectly. That's super easy. So let's go to the first chain. Holding everything is perfect. Holding my needle, just go around. As you can see, I have the yarn under my hook and just go through that loop. That's called a loop. And just go, take that yarn through that loop to the other side. Very, very easily, just like that. And as you can see, I still have a loop. But at the same time, I have one chain in here. This is the first chain. So we completed our chain. Let's do it again. So I'm gonna make like a nice sample, like from like 10 chains or something, so we can build up over it what we're gonna do next in the next chapters. So the next chain, again, do the same thing. Just go around the yarn, and it's called yarn over, and just grab the yarn and just go, take it and go through that loop in the hook, and again, we have the second one. Can you see that? We have one, I have two. Again, go around, grab the yarn through the loop, and we have the third one. Do it again. Yarn over. We have 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You don't count this one until you finish it. This one doesn't count. It's just a loop. It's nothing. From this one, you can do single crochet. You can use a double crochet, like triple crochet. But this one here is called chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 chain here. Again, I'm going to do it again. Yarn over, go through that one. Yarn over, go through that one. Have 6. Again, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Very nice and neat. And always have the same tension every time you make a chain as much as you can. So like, as you can see, it's like even and beautiful. So don't have a very big loop like this and just go and make one chain. you did a chain, but as you can see, it's really big and really loose. You don't want to do that, and you don't want to make it so tight either. You just make it in the right tension, and actually it's different from one person to another, so you keep working and practicing until you have this look here, very nice and neat chain. So that's when you do that, you know that you are on the right track. So I made a very nice 10 chain thing. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the next chapter, which is making a single crochet. So let's go.